What is going on, guys? This is our general purpose server program. Pause and copy the code. Pause the video, copy the code, study the code. This is our general purpose server. It's a general purpose server program. Does what servers do. It's meant for development, upgrading, improving, modifying. Most likely hardware ready. Ready to be put on hardware. Basic server. This server takes into account our particle physics tech, our shrink tech, and our video color key tech, video color key tech, and our particle shrink tech, shrink the file size tech, file compression tech, and mixes it in. Makes a very lightweight server app. Super light, hyper lightweight. It's called hyper lightweight. I think it's under 6 kilobytes big. This is the command to run it. Cool, it works. It does a self-check to make sure everything's working to prove that it works. That's our server program. Basic server stuff. Basic server, general purpose server. Does what servers do. Study a server yourself. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time.